What's up, everyone? Thanks for joining me on D's Analysis. We're going to be looking at Sofi today. This is looking very good. We got a strong move to the upside. Initially, we had a slight trend line right here, and then it looks like price ended up creating a more steep trend line that was eventually broken here. So this was the initial trend line. Then price started getting crazy and very volatile, pushing up, creating a super steep trend line. We fell underneath it, retested, and kind of fell off from that point. Then it did look like we had a bull flag initially to call the next move higher, but it ended up getting invalidated to the upside, fell back in, invalidated to the upside, fell back in, then we fell underneath. So this bull flag is invalidated, but it could still play out the exact same way though. So we're trending sideways in this channel or in this range. So from 1360 to about 17 bucks, just ranging sideways. We fell underneath sharply and it looks like we got a V-shaped recovery. So it's looking very nice. On the weekly, we did say that something like this could happen where this could potentially be the bottom and we get a V-shaped recovery, and since there is a clean move to the left, that we can continue pushing up higher very quickly, and it looks like that's the play. At the same time, we did say the other possibility was that we could push up after this close. So after this red close, we could push up, retest, and continue on down. So those were the two scenarios that we spoke about. We said that we could reclaim this, chop, and push up higher. Looks like that happened. And the other scenario, like I said, was after this close, we retest as resistance and push on down. So looks like the bullish scenario played out. Looks good. In terms of the SMA, we reclaimed the 20, which we were underneath. We got a strong bounce off the 200 day, and we're heading up to the 50 day right now. And we did close right on this level of support. So now let's see if we get a bounce today. On the weekly, we somewhat got a bounce off the 50. We didn't quite touch it, but we got close enough. And buyers came in and bought it all up. And it looks like we're heading back to this range. And the next moving average that we need to break that's super important is the 20-week at about 14.95. That's going to be a huge one because that allows the trend to stay intact. Strong level of support and resistance. On the Bollinger Bands, the weekly looks perfect. We got a bounce right off of it, wicked strongly off of it. We don't spend too much time outside the Bollinger Bands, as you can see. Got a strong move up, gapped up, and now we're up here at about 13.55. So this is looking very bullish, looks very good. On the daily, same thing. We hugged the bottom Bollinger Band, got kind of a sideways and upward move, and now we're starting to shoot up past the blue and headed towards the red, and hopefully we can see a move where we start to hug the red in an uptrend and our pullbacks are only to the blue and we continue the trend upward. So what I do possibly see playing out, of course, depends on Friday with the core PCE, the Fed's favorite tool for inflation or measuring of inflation, is this retest that we're getting, and we can easily move to the top of the range. I'm not saying it's going to happen this week, but it could happen pretty soon because we do have a minor level of support here, or resistance, a very minor level. So once we crack this level, it's going to be a clean move up. But I can definitely see us going to the top of the range now that we made this V-shaped recovery, and now we're back into the bottom of this range. So this is a good sign. On the Fib, we're looking great. We have our golden zone here, 0.5 to the 0.618. Got a strong bounce off of this. This looks amazing. So the 0.5 to the 0.618 is a golden zone, 0.5 here, 0.618. It's a strong level to show the continuation of price in whichever way that you pull it. We're pulling it in a bullish way right now. So it's showing that there's a strong level of support. We're getting that bounce. And let's see if price can continue up higher. This is looking very bullish though. Very exciting for SoFi investors. This looks like it could have just been an absolute perfect buying opportunity for anybody who wanted to get in. And from this low to the current price, you've already made 25%. This is looking very good, very bullish. Like and subscribe if you enjoy this content and want to see more stuff like this. I'll see you in the next one.